right, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to post a P2P advertisement step by step. I'll walk you through the latest rules you need to follow so your ads doesn't get rejected or taken down. So let's get straight into it. So this is my advert here in the P2P section. So you can see that once you make a P2P advert, you should try and make sure that your advert is ranked as the top advert so that once people come to the P2P section, your advert can be first seen so that you can purchase it. You know, as I showed you in previous videos, I talked about P2P, peer-to-peer, explained peer-to-peer to you, and you saw that the adverts that were on top were like the best offers. So that's what I'm going to be making this video all about. So you can see here, and as I showed in the previous video, if you want to search for your methods, you can see here this SEPA instance. And once you Google check SEPA instance, sorry, once you check SEPA instance on P2P, you see that SEPA that's name there. What is my name? Yeah, you see that my name is amongst the first on the list of traders in SEPA instance. So I intentionally put my price. Let's say if you are looking to buy around 200 euro, if you're looking to buy around 200 euro worth of cryptocurrency using SEPA instance, you see that my name is amongst the first traders. It was there before, but this person recently put an advert that beat mine. But I think it's fine. Maybe I might edit it. But yeah, I'll show you how to edit it and all of that. So as you can see here now, I'm going to go right into it. Once you go to your profile here, you go to P2P Center. If you want to start posting an advert, you go to P2P Center. So once the tab opens for P2P Center, yeah, so once you come to P2P Center, you're going to see, if you are not yet an advertiser here, yet you see around this place where there's view benefits, you see something like apply to become an advertiser. So once you click on it, let's say I'm going to click on view benefits instead of that. It's going to take you to this page. It's the same page it's going to take you to. So in this page, you see different things there. So based on my account was previously restricted, so I'm going to be explaining to you why my account was restricted later in the video. Just keep on watching. So here you can see for restricted accounts, these are the privileges. I can't post an ad more than 400 USDT, as you can see in my ad there. Yeah, you can see that it's 400 USDT. That's the max. Maybe this person, I don't know. So mine is 400 USDT because my account is being restricted. So, but if I'm a general user, I can post up to 20,000 USDT adverts. So that's it. So you can see for verified users, 50,000 USDT, and this one you can post buy and sell trades. You can see, but here as of now, I cannot post any buy trades. I can only post sell trades. So you can see this 200,000 USDT tier one. So because my account was restricted, I was asked to pay a $200 200 USDT. That's $200 basically, for so that I can be able to trade. So they are going to freeze it. So I'll anytime like it's just like a security deposit so that to make sure I'm trading properly. And once my once my the system will automatically check if I am qualified, that they will unfreeze my deposit. It's like an automatic system stuff. So it's not like it's the um, is maybe Bybit's customer care or something that is restricting you. It's like they have an AI or something like that working on their website that checks out how you're doing your P2P trades, and if they feel that your P2P trade is risky, they'll flag your account, stuff like that. So that's why I had to do this. So in order to do that, maybe you are in this kind of position, because I noticed that I was just trading, all of a sudden they said I need to do security deposits. So you once you come here, if you have not, you need to submit some documents. So you click on um there's something here that you click on that will they will tell you to submit documents. So you want to submit your documents, you'll be able to put a security document. But I submitted my document earlier. So as of few days ago, I now deposited on, like, I bought cryptos and I said that let me start doing P2P trades here because I switched to Binance for some time. So you can remove it if you don't want to be verified again. You just click on remove verified status. So once you do that, they are going to remove your your security deposit won't be frozen anymore. But I advise, if you're not ready to do that, just don't remove it, because if you remove it, it's going to be more difficult to even for them to even let you to put this security deposit back, because it happened to me. Then I found it difficult to put back the 200 USDT. That okay, I'm ready to trade P2P now. So I advise that you don't do that. Before I could do that, I had to, let me first of all tell you what happened, why I feel that my account was restricted in the first instance. Yeah. So as maybe some of you might know, if before, when you want to um if you want to post adverts on Bybit, you need to have certain number of trades you've done, like P2P trades, I think 10 or something like that. And your trading volume needs to be around 1,500 USDT per month. So then I was trying to play tricks on them. So there's this, in when you're trading, there's this stuff called, there's this method of payment called Euro balance. So once you put Euro balance, you can easily, once you're on Euro balance, you can easily trade here. You can see I've traded with this guy. He's even showing the amount of times you've traded with someone before. I remember this guy vividly. So once you put, yeah, as I was saying, you can trade Euro balance. So it's very easy to trade Euro balance, and you try and achieve the goal of the USDT. That's 1,500. I think it was 1,500 USDT transaction in the last 30 days or something like that before you can open an advert. So you can even achieve this within a day. You just, with your Euro balance, let's say, let me show you how you do it. You go to your assets. Let me see. Yeah, you go to your assets. So once you go to your assets, once you go to your assets, you go to your funding account. You click on funding. So once you go to funding, you see that my fiat is a euro. So here you click on fiat, you can see it's in euro. You can convert, convert your crypto to euro and vice versa. So once you convert it, your balance in fiat will be, that's your euro balance will be in this position. So let me show you how to convert it. I think I've shown how to convert before. So you go to convert here. So in this convert, you can convert your USDT to euro direct. So I'm just going to show you how it's done. So let me, oh no, yeah, you can see it, euro. So once you convert it, let's say I want 100 USDT. This, you can see it's going to give you 85 euro. So once you get that 85 euro, you can then be using it to trade in in this P2P section. So you use the 85 euro, you come here, you buy your crypto. Once you buy your crypto, then you can go to someone here and sell. So that's what I was doing, and the system caught me that I was trying to maybe cheat my way to get that 1,500 USDT. It's not like actually scammed someone or something. As you can even see in my profile here, where's my profile? Yeah, let me open my user center. You can see that I have good reviews. So you can see my P2P user center. Sorry, this video is going to be kind of long. I just want to be so detailed about everything. Yeah, you can see I have 56 good reviews, one bad review. You can see it here, 56, one bad review. So you can see good trader, fast response, reliable, everything. The only bad review I had was I was actually on my way to work that day when the person opened the trade, and the person was kind of like rushing because I he sent me money and the money reversed back to him. So it was I was not telling him to send it on another account. Then he got angry and he started speaking um, Russian, and I think he's the one here. He's the one that even opened this thing, a, an appeal. Meanwhile, he knows what he did. He just wanted to scam me of my money and quickly collect the money and go. You see, glad confusion in account slow. Yeah, so it was an error that time. That time, I was using Revolut and I was having issues then. So yeah, so now I don't think I've not yet showed you how to post an advert. So to post an advert, you click on here. You go to post ads. So once you go to post ads, you're going to put your price here. As you can see here, let me go to this place. So in order to post my ads, I already have an ad posted already. So I'm just going to show you step by step. But if you want to post an ad, that's how you go to post an ad. You edit everything you want here, then you make the post ad. So you click on this, then you post the ad. So for the purpose of this video, I'll just edit my previous ad. So because I cannot post more than one ad at this point in time. So I don't know if you are getting me, but try my best. So you go to P2P. So the ad I want to post is on SEPA instance. I actually want to like try and beat the other person's offer. So I'm going to go here and yeah. Yeah, I'll click on SEPA instance because that's the method I want to be paid with. So I need like 200 euro. Yeah. My trade is uh, yeah, you can see that in 200 euro uh my advert is on top. So I'll just use this as example. So in order for my advert to be on top, I looked at this place. I was like, okay, I need 200 euros. So I put an advert from 150 euro to for 343. That's 400 USDT. So you just go here, you put your price there. You put fixed price, so you can edit it from time to time. So let me say that was like zero 0.8 0.858. Yeah, just to beat the other advert I put. Then you put your time frame there. If you want it to be 15 minutes, I like 15 minutes because some people like to delay. Then you put your max. Right now, I cannot do more than trade more than 400 USDT. Then you put your limit. So let's say the minimum amount of euro I need is 150. I'll put it there. Let's say it's 80 or something like that. I'll put it there. So for this video, I'll just put 180 or something like that. Then I'll put max because I want to put it on the maximum amount of USDT I have there. I actually have more than uh, 400 USDT there, so I can trade the maximum. Then you will now put your payment method here. Then you can also put your counterpart requirement. So let's say you don't want to trade with people because there are some people that will just come and open an ad and like close it. So you put it that okay, the last 30 days, the person's advert should have completed more than 5 trades in the last 30 days. Person's completion rate in the last 30 days, you put the percentage, maybe more than 50%. I think 50% is low. Let's say 85%, that's fair. The person, anything you want to put there. So you can also trade with traders from specific countries. Let's say you just want to trade with people from Afghanistan, then you put it there, or whatever you want to do, then you confirm. So once you do that, you can put your remarks there. No third party or whatever remark you want to put that's like as an instruction for them to make the trades. Then you can add your payment method. So I have some payment methods already here. So you can add them. So depending on you. So once you're done with that, you click that you've read the terms and conditions. And then this post ads will show that you put your code from your Google Authenticator, and that's it. So yeah, that's it for this video. So if you like this video, do it to like, subscribe, share, and sorry for making the video so long. I just had to explain to you how what made them restrict my account, and trying to tell you not to make that mistake like I did then. So that's what this video is about. So do well to comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one. Bye.